Hello here, electronic technician. I'm just asking this question and putting it out there. This is an amplifier that just curious about it. As you can see, there's two different models here. Just the IRFP 4868, IRFP 4768. One is 2 ohms and one is 1 ohms. But this amplifier appears to be the 2 ohms version. And when you're checking these this is GP4063D. The same thing as here. Now, one of the question asks is that if you fit this transistor in it, there's an IRFP 4768, which is for this. Will that make this amplifier be like capable of sustaining 1 ohms? Will that be any effect on the circuit? What do you guys think? These capacitors for this particular amplifier is 320 WV at 950 UF, and there are 6 of them. It's a really great power supply, but this is a section I could see a previous tech that literally tried to work on it. But this side did not damage. What do you guys think? Reduce and come to this transistor, you're making the amp 1 ohms. Will it be 1 ohms? Can it do 1 ohms properly? Leave some comment, let me know.